Hello everybody, my name is Jake. I'm one of the teachers here at East Sussex College, Hastings, here to tell you a little bit about the courses we offer in health and social care. So maybe you're interested in a gentle introduction into health and social care. So we've got our level 1 Btec Diploma in health and social care. Really practical course where we learn everything from communication skills, so how to communicate with people who are old, young, deaf, disabled, people who've had strokes, people with learning disabilities. Really practical unit there. We look at how to measure fitness of older adults. We look at how to make healthy snacks for people. Really practical course, really hands-on, loads of great stuff to really get the hang of what it means to work in health and social care. We also have our cash diploma in health and social care. That's a big step up from level 1. And on the cash diploma, you're going to learn about some more complex subjects to do with health and social care. So that's where we'll start teaching you about anatomy and physiology, so how the human body works. We'll also teach you about infection prevention and control. It's one of the most important issues in the world today, but it's always been important in health and social care. So we'll teach you about the difference between bacteria and viruses. We'll teach you about things like disinfection, sterilisation, sanitation. We'll teach you all the different practical things you need to know if you're going to be having to control infection in health and social care setting. Maybe you're going to be working as a nurse or a carer, so that's going to be really important in your day-to-day job. We also have our brand new T-levels in health to offer. So that's a really exciting level 3 program where on your first year you'll study really practical concepts like working in the health and social care sector, good scientific and clinical practice, person-centered planning, so how to make care really personalised for people, loads of experience that you'll gain in the workplace, and on your second year you'll learn about how to support the adult nursing team as you learn to work your way into the health and social care sector. So one of the things we get asked a lot by our students is, what can I do after I've finished my course? Well, once you finish your level 1 or level 2 health and social care course, you can go and look for work in the health and social care sector. So in Hastings and the surrounding area, there are loads and loads of health and social care jobs. That might be working in residential or domiciliary care, that might be healthcare assistant roles in the Conquest Hospital, loads and loads of health and social care jobs in this area. If you've just finished studying your level 3, then maybe you want to head off to university and study things like nursing, paediatrics, midwifery, social work. Lots of our students head to local universities like Brighton or Canterbury, and they study their degrees that then allow them to come back to Hastings and work in the health and social care trade. So all your teachers in the health and social care department at Hastings are super experienced. We've been teaching for about 15 years, all of us. I've also been working in the health and social care industry for the last 15 years. I worked as a domiciliary carer, that's a home carer, during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I've got lots of stories I can tell you about that. So we've all got lots and lots of practical experience that will be useful to you as you go out to look for work. So why should you come and study at East Sussex College, Hastings? Well, firstly, most importantly, your teaching and learning experience in the classroom will be good or outstanding every step of the way. The teachers that you have are knowledgeable, experienced, skilled, and will support you every step of the way to excel in your qualifications. We've got great facilities from top to bottom throughout the college. And we're really easy to access, right next to the train station, right next to the bus station, really convenient. Why would you study anywhere else?